In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect Shopify to Google Ads. First, go to ads.google.com and log into your Google Ads account. Next, navigate to the left sidebar and click on the Tools icon. Then in the Tool settings, look for the Data Manager option and click on it. Then in the Data Manager, you'll find two tabs, Connected Products and Consent Settings. Make sure it's on the Connected Products tab. Then scroll down and under Featured Products, look for Shopify. Click on it. Then you'll be directed to a window to connect a product. You'll find three options to choose from: Direct Connection, Shopify Audience, and Third-Party Integration by Zapier. Choose the one you want. I'll choose Direct Connection. Then you need to authorize it. Just click on Authorize, and it'll direct you to a window where you'll be asked to enter your Shopify domain name. You can find your Shopify domain name in your Shopify admin URL, admin.shopify.com/store/xxx, where xxx is your shop's domain name. Now just write or copy and paste your shop's domain name in the space provided and click Continue. Then you'll be asked to install the app. Click Install, and once installed, open the app and sign in to your Google account. Finish the setup and confirm everything is connected. Your Shopify store is now connected to Google Ads. And that's it. That's how you connect Shopify to Google Ads. Thanks for watching.